After meeting Mr. Sam, I wanted to get better at math, really better. So whenever I had free time, I watched math videos online. Some taught ideas, others taught tricks. And one morning, I found a shortcut that looked almost like magic.
Multiply by 11 in seconds. All you have to do is this. When you want to multiply a number by 11, write the first digit, 5, leave a space, write the second digit, then add the digits. 5 plus 2 is 7. 11 times 52 is 572. Pause this video and try this before we continue.
Easy. 31 meklas 11. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 341. Without waiting for the rest of the lesson, I jumped up from my chair. I couldn't stop smiling. I was convinced I had just discovered the fastest way to multiply by 11. In my excitement, I hurried outside.
Well, hello there, my dear.
Mr. Sam, I learned an amazing shortcut.
Have you? Tell me about it.
I can multiply by 11 in just a few seconds now.
That's wonderful. Would you mind if I gave you a little test?
Go ahead.
What is 43 minor 11?
473.
Excellent. What is 61 tech 11?
671.
Excellent. What is 38 times 11?
38 times 11. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Wait, where does the extra one go? Still nothing.
What happened?
The trick stopped working.
Did the trick stop working? Or did it show you something you hadn't noticed before? Keep one in the middle. Carry the other one to the left.
Oh, it's just place value. The carry still matters.
Exactly. A shortcut doesn't replace understanding. It depends on it. If you only memorize the steps, you'll eventually get stuck. But when you understand why it works, you'll know what to do, even when the questions become harder.
Understand. Shortcuts are helpful. But understanding is even better.
That's right, Grace. Shortcuts can help, but understanding is better.
Okay,